The India-Pakistan rivalry is a complex and enduring conflict rooted in history, religion, and geopolitics. Here's a structured overview of its historical background and evolution. British colonial policies. The British divide and rule strategy exacerbated Hindu-Muslim tensions, treating the two communities as separate political entities. Rise of nationalist movements. The Indian National Congress, founded in 1885, advocated for a united, secular India. Meanwhile, the All India Muslim League, established in 1906 and led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, demanded separate representation to protect Muslim interests, fearing marginalization in a Hindu-majority India. Partition of British India. As decolonization accelerated post-World War II, the British hastily divided the subcontinent in 1947 into two nations: India, which was secular but had a Hindu majority, and Pakistan, which was Muslim majority and split into West and East Pakistan. The poorly drawn Radcliffe Line triggered mass migrations, communal violence, and the deaths of around 1 million people. Over 15 million were displaced, embedding trauma and mutual suspicion. At partition, the Hindu ruler of Muslim-majority Jammu and Kashmir acceded to India, sparking the First Indo-Pak War from 1947 to 48. The UN brokered a ceasefire, dividing Kashmir along the line of control, or Low C. India controls around 55%, Pakistan 30%, and China parts of the northeast. The 1965 war, fought over Kashmir, ended with the Tashkent Agreement. The 1971 war, originating in East Pakistan's independence movement, which was supported by India, led to the creation of Bangladesh. The similar agreement in 1972 reinforced the LoC but failed to resolve Kashmir's status. The Kargil conflict in 1999 saw Pakistan-backed militants trigger a limited war in Indian-administered Kashmir. India embraced secularism and pluralism, while Pakistan defined itself as an Islamic republic, deepening ideological polarization. Pakistan allied with the United States and China, receiving military and economic aid. India leaned toward the Soviet Union, later strengthening ties with the United States in the 21st century. Both countries conducted nuclear tests in 1998, escalating the rivalry into a potential nuclear flashpoint. Cross-border terrorism. Groups like Lashkar-e-Taiba, which have been linked to the 2008 Mumbai attacks, operate from Pakistan. This fuels Indian accusations of state-sponsored terrorism. Resource disputes. Conflicts over the Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 and the Siachen Glacier, which has been militarized since 1984, persist. Nationalist rhetoric in both countries often exploits the rivalry, hindering diplomacy. Shared histories and familial ties contrast with entrenched narratives of betrayal and victimhood. Cricket, Bollywood, and music remain cultural bridges amid political hostility. The India-Pakistan rivalry stems from colonial legacies, territorial disputes, especially Kashmir, and competing national identities. Despite sporadic peace efforts like the 2003 ceasefire and the Lahore Declaration, deep mistrust, militarization, and geopolitical complexities sustain the conflict. Resolution remains elusive, with Kashmir's status and security concerns central to the stalemate.